Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Pragya, an artist and founder of PS Creates. The kind people at Factor Notes sent me these notebooks for a review, so I thought to share it with you guys as well. So in this video, I'll be showing you the unboxing, my review, and how I made my first bullet journal for the month of August. So these are the four notebooks they sent me. The first one is a Factor Notes all-purpose notebook. The pages are of 120 GSM and have dotted grid lines. And these are best for bullet journaling. Next is the Factor Notes sketchbook, which is a 175 GSM paper quality and the paper is really very soft. So next is Imagine all-purpose notebook. I really like the cover of this notebook. Quality is 100 GSM and they have the same dotted grid just like the previous one. Coming to the last notebook, this is Factor Notes sketchbook, which is of A5 size, 175 GSM paper quality, and I really like the texture here. Talking about the price of these notebooks, the mentioned price varies from $349 to $599, but they sell at a very cheap and affordable price on Amazon. I have provided the link in the description box below, so in case you want to buy, make sure to check it out. So here I am using one of their notebooks to show the bullet journal setup for the month of August. I will be sharing a lot more artworks on their notebooks on Instagram as well, so make sure you follow me there. So talking about the materials required, we need any notebook. I am using the Factor Notes all-purpose notebook, a scale, a pencil, eraser, some paper clips, Blue fine liner and Tombow dual brush pens. Also, it's not necessary to use Tombow dual brush pens only. You can use any brush pens, any sketch pens, highlighters, markers for this. And also don't forget to look at my favorite unicorn pen here. So let's get started. Maintaining a bullet journal makes your life very planned and productive. I have read a lot about bullet journaling and I really like the idea behind it, so I'm trying it for the very first time. I hope you guys join with me. So the first step is to clip up your paper, take any brush pen or sketch pen and start making flowers with me. So as I made it on the first side, we have to make it on all the four sides of the notebook. I'm using my Uniball Figno white pen to make lines on the leaves. Then I'm using my brown sketch pen and a scale to make lines. Then I am using my pencil and scale to make a rough sketch of whatever I have planned to make on it. I always prefer using a pencil and an eraser at first because if you make any mistakes, you can easily rub that. Then I am using my brush stroke fine liner 0.2 and a scale. Then I am using my Tombow Fudensuki pen to write some headings. You can write it using any pen as well. So here we are making the planner for month of August, and I am writing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Then I am writing the growth and the monthly goals for the month. So to be more motivated this August, I wrote the quote of the month as well. Then using my blue color Tombow Dual brush pen, I wrote the word August, and then using a brush stroke fine liner, I outlined it. Then I colored these two ovals using pink and green color. Then using a set of colors, I highlighted the page. Now it's the time to do some yellow color in the planner. And then adding some small details to the whole page. You can add small details as per your wish to make the page look more cute and colorful. I am making a social media growth chart here to record all my progress of the social medias before starting this month and after completing this month. Next I am writing my monthly goals, which I hope to complete in the coming August. And when you start completing your goals and started cutting it off, it feels so relaxing to do that, and even it makes you more productive. And the quote for the month is, "Good things are coming. Never stop dreaming." We are about to complete it, and the last thing which I do is adding some shadows and details to it so that it looks really beautiful. Also, you can write any birthdays, festivals, or any other important date of your life in the month of August in this calendar. And the last thing which I almost forgot to write is the weekends ahead. My favorite days in a week are Saturday and Sunday. Also, let me know your favorite day of the week in the comments below. Now it's finally done. I'm just adding the small details using the Dome's brush pen. If you wish to add them, you can. If you don't want to, it's okay. Coming to the end of video, let me tell you my views on this notebook. I really like the paper quality, and with all the pens I tried on it, none of them bleeds through the paper. And the price on Amazon is $2.99 with free delivery charges. So according to me, I think it's best to invest in their journals, as these have dotted grid lines which will let you practice lettering, do bullet journaling and many other things. I hope my review was clear and you enjoyed watching the video. If you have any more doubts, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching guys. Do like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more updates.